When we think of rhinoplasty or no reshaping, we often imagine it as one standard. Here's the truth. Rhinoplasty is completely different for men and women because the goals are different. The facial proportions are different, and even the surgical techniques differ, sometimes subtly, sometimes significantly. So let's break down what sets them apart and how to achieve the results that look natural, balanced, and distinctly you. So what is a rhinoplasty? As a rhinoplasty, as you all have heard many times, it is a surgery to reshape the nose. It redefines the bridge, adjusts the tip, corrects asymmetry, or improves breathing by addressing internal structures. But beyond function, it's also about harmony, a nose that complements your face. That harmony looks different for men and women because of your facial features, the bone structure, and the ideal aesthetics vary. So what's different between a man and a woman in a rhinoplasty? So let's start with some visual goals. For a woman, the ideal nose typically has a slightly narrow bridge, a more defined and delicate nasal tip, and often a gentle upward rotation at the tip for a softer profile. For men, the goals are quite different. The bridge is usually stronger and straighter. The tip is more prominent and less rotated, maintaining a sense of masculine definition and strength. It's not about smaller or bigger, it's about character. For a male rhinoplasty, the aim is to refine it without feminizing the features. For women, it is to create elegance without losing individuality. The technical and structural considerations. From a surgical standpoint, a male rhinoplasty tends to involve thicker skin, stronger cartilage, which affects how refined changes appear post-surgery. In women, the skin is usually thinner, allowing for finer sculpting, but also requiring precision to avoid overcorrection. The approach, whether closed or open, depends on the anatomy and the goals. Sometimes we do cartilage reshaping to strengthen and increase definition in men. So the most important thing is personalization. It isn't about following a template. It's about creating a nose that fits your face and not anyone else. So don't come showing me more supermodel faces and have a big face. We have to fix the nose to make it harmonious to the face that you have. This is where planning comes in. We cannot give an extreme Middle Eastern or Persian nose to a South Indian girl. We have to understand how that works. So yes, rhinoplasty for both men and women share the same foundation, but this is where the artistry comes in. This is where the eye comes in. It's about understanding the differences. It's about changing how you look. It's about enhancing your unique features in the most natural way. So subtle rhinoplasty, subtle changes are what is required in a rhinoplasty. Thank you.